Today we're exploring the journey of Shannon Matthews, who became a national focus in 2008 when she was reported missing, triggering one of the UK's largest missing person investigations. The case took a dark turn when it was revealed her disappearance was a fake kidnapping plot orchestrated by her own mother for reward money. So, where is Shannon Matthews now? Let's find out. In February 2008, 9-year-old Shannon Matthews was reported missing in Dewsbury, West Yorkshire. A massive community and police search ensued. 24 days later, she was found alive, hidden and tethered in the flat of her mother's boyfriend's uncle, Michael Donovan. It was revealed that her mother, Karen Matthews, and Donovan had planned the abduction in a scheme to claim a £50,000 reward offered by a newspaper. Shannon had been kept drugged and imprisoned during her captivity. Following the ordeal, Shannon was placed in the care of social services, along with her 6 siblings. The trauma left her with nightmares and a need for psychotherapy sessions. To protect her from the intense media scrutiny and public attention, the High Court granted a lifelong anonymity order, which prevents the publication of her new name, location, or any identifying details for the rest of her life. Where is Shannon Matthews now? As of now, Shannon Matthews is living under a new identity, with a new family, in a private location. Very little is known about her life now, with her right to privacy and anonymity rightfully respected by law and media. Reports from around 2018 suggested she had been placed with a foster family and was attending college. While her mother was released from prison in 2012 after serving half her sentence and now lives in the south of England under a new name, Shannon has no contact with her biological mother or other family members. Producers of a recent 2025 documentary mentioned they had communicated with her while making the film, but her current identity remains a closely guarded secret. Shannon Matthews has transformed from the victim of a shocking crime into a private individual trying to live a normal life away from the public eye. Her story highlights the devastating impact of her mother's actions and the vital importance of protecting vulnerable victims. She has been given a chance for a better life and is determined to live it normally. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on people involved in high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.